Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update monitor drivers in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you want to update your monitor drivers, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to press the start button and here just search for device manager. So once you open device manager, you might get the monitors here. You just have to expand it or double click on it and then click on this driver, right click on it and then select update driver. Then select search automatically for drivers. And here it will search automatically for available drivers update. If you find any update here, just try to download and install that update over your PC. Or you can also click on this option. This is search for updated drivers on Windows Update. So it will check for the latest updates for your monitor drivers in Windows Update section. Just click on check for updates. It will check for the latest updates for your monitor drivers. If there will be any update available, it will be also installed on your PC. So in this way, you can easily update your monitor drivers in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.